Hi guys, here's Strela Thaunosm again, bringing you the 22nd episode of Mami Mapao. Mayam butaram na okchari amadi mamangi 21 suba episode ta mayam na pibirakiba comments, suggestions amadi feedback singidamak hainingai lekta na thagache. Now let's have a quick look at the contents of this 22nd episode of Mami Mapao. First of all, we have the 12th Mami Numit 2018 and 6th Nongin Music Video Award 2018. Ani subada Bobo Khuraizamgi Ima Savitrina Satyajit Ray Golden Award for Best Documentary Fanglakibagi Mapauna Ani subada thamjari. Ahum suba asina JN Manipur Dance Academy gi 64th suba Foundation Day gi mapaun. Mathangi Mari suba mapau asina March 30 da Tomthin film release tawkhibagi mapauni. Mga suba oina thamjariba Manipuri feature film Thamoido Ngairi release tawkhibagi mapau ama. Mona Sengau lakpa release tawkhibagi mapau na ngasigi taruk suba mapau oina thamjari. Amadi Taret suba ngasigi aroiba oina thamjariba mapau asina NIT gi Ogri Festival mapung fana pangthokhibagi mapauni. Mayamit yang taminas. MSFDS ki ningthina leiting lava auditorium da Taruklak suba Nongin Music Video Award 2018 amadi Taranithoirak suba Mami Numit 2018 tha asigi haukiba tang mapanda pangthokre. Kana na kari mana lauribage haibudu mayam punna mideng taminas.
Manipur State Film Development Society amadi Film Forum Manipurani na kushamnaduna Taruklak suba Nongin Music Video Award 2018 amadi Taranithoi suba Mami Numit 2018 Palace Compound Leba MSFDS ki auditorium da tha sige hoki batang mapanda pangthokre. Lamdam masigi saknairaba film critic Megachandra Kongwa Mamadi Film Forum Manipur ki chairman Samjat Chabam Mangul Jauna Chingba iramdam masigi maming leraba mami ki taibang da saknairaba kyana saruk yaduna pangthokkiba thormaduda sarungbam phajabi amadi sarungbam hari pyari anina katjaba arangba thawan micha khaina mingthonba award saknairaba film activist TH Haridas ta khushinaki. Amadi Dr. T.A. Suresh na Kachaba Best Film Journalist Award 2018 gi manana saknairaba film journalist O.C. Mairada khushinaki.
Thanks a lot to Film Forum Manipur and Manipur State Film Development Society for organizing such a huge award ceremony. Mathangi asina first South Asian Short Film Festival 2018 da saknairaba filmmaker Bobo Khuraizamgi Ima Savitrina Best Documentary gi mana phanglaktuna aikhoi pumnamak punna haunana amuka su chauthok chehalle. Hiram asigi matangda mapao matangi mideng tabi.
Ahanba South Asian Short Film Festival 2018 da iramdamasigi saknairaba filmmaker Bobo Khuraizam na lamsing lamtakpa Manipuri documentary film Ima Savitri da lamjaningai oiraba Satyajit Ray Golden Award for the best documentary gi mana pirakre. Sahi asigi March 13 dagi hauduna amade numit 13 ni chukna pangthokkiba festival asida punna documentary film yangkhaini thoina athoi ahen tanaki. Lamjaningai oiraba festival ase Federation of Film Societies of India Eastern Region sinduna ahanbo ina pangthokibani amade masida film Cham Humputra Mapan Saruk Yaki Amade, Haidaba Mana Ase, Festival Asigi, Kolkata Panto Kiba, Loishin Bagi Torum Lanto Kibane, Panbayai Ima Sabitri Hariba, documentary Manipuri film Ase, Mumbai International Film Festival da, Best Documentary Award, Funkibagi Matakta, State Film Award, Best Non-Feature Film Award Ki, Mana Funkibaga Loinana, Tongan ba Malem gi thakta pangthokpa festival kayada saruk yaduna mana mathum kaya lor kraba film amakhaknei film asi masek mangal films ki banner makhada gurmayum ranita na puthokpane irom maipakna cinematography gi thaudang lobani amade sankhajit bishwas na editing gi thaudang lobani
Ima Sabitri ji lepoi dauriko sunglep heglepte mana loba. Anyways, congratulations Oza Bobo for such a huge success. Now let's peek inside the 64th Foundation Day of JN Manipur Dance Academy and let you guys have some dance. Right, okay. Come down one have the young minutes.
India ki awang numpok lamdamda khwaidagi liraba lenga ki Dance Academy moeriba Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy gi humpuga mari rak suba mapuk kumon gi thauram numit humni chumna April namadagi ahum phauba pangthokre State Sigi Governor Dr. Nazma Haptulan Athoyu Mitunglen Oiduna DM College campus Talaiba Academy Sigi Open Air Theatre Pangto Ki Thorum Ase Haudokpada Academy Sigi Tongan Mat course Singda Makuk Matang Tarak Raba Mahiroi Mangada Governor na Medal Sing Pusinaki Numit Humni Sumna Pangto Ki Bathormaduda Thaugal Zagoi Radha Nartan Natu Sankritan Madikom Monsang Sothe Tangkul Masung Tarau Purup Kioiba folk dance sing Sukutki
Manipur, which is the powerhouse of culture, various culture, different forms of dance, drama, music, art forms, and it has been through this academy that we have projected the beautiful culture, beautiful dances of Manipur to the rest of the country.
Iram Damasigi, Lemjaningai Woidaba Academy, Sigmapo Kumon, the Tauramase, Yairipok Angta the Leba, Kain, Lishan the Pangto, Ching Lem, Tauram Amana, Loishin Ki.
Wow! Masi Magna Malem na Sakang Biban. Matangi Foundation Day that su Hena Mapung Fana, Pangto Pangamba Oisan. Anyway, guys, it's time for a little break. I'll be right back. Welcome back to Mami Mapao. Adom na miyeng tabiriba si Impact TV da tha amagi ani suba amadi aroiba irai khuding gi sandok chariba Mami Mapao ni. Ngasigi episode asigi mari suba mapao ina amuk pujarakliba si Vision Films ki banner makhada puthokpa film Tom Thin release tawkhibagi mapao ni bejeng ta.
Vision Films production ki banner makhada puthokpa Tom Thin haina mingthon ba Manipuri feature film ma sahi asegau ki March 13 da Usa cinema da release tawduna leibak miyam da kushin na kre film ase Ojit Babu Ningthaujam gi wari da masamak da lamjing lamtak tuna matau leibina puthokpane film asida Sadananda Tonthoi Devita Silhaibi Susmita Dhanamanjuri amadi ipuna chingba iramdama sigi saknairabi mamiroi kayana saktam langli
sigi film sida ina mau anobi oirakpadagina agi icha se char matung icha sina थबक तौरप मतंग अबो सारपद यामना नुंगाइब हाइतारे आइगी voice की changes लाकपा हाइदी मौ नौरिङैदा अइना केजरमबदगी इचा चाउरपा मतमदा अइना थबक वाना सुरकपा इचाबो चाउनबो योलकपा अदुगी ngसाइगी आइगी character द change लाकपा मयामदो film सिदा मयाम सोइदना उबा फंगबिगने अदुगा फजबा थीबदुदी मयामना अदुम येंगा खंगबिगने दो आइगी ओइनादी अइना आइगी best level दा होटनाजगी film अमखगोय
Congratulations Tomthins production team Khunai asida parakaya Tambiba mai pakpa film ama soidana oisanu Mathangi pujarakliba mapau asi Padma Film Production gi banner makhada puthokpa Thamoido ngairi haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film ama gi release tawkhibagi mapauni Kamdau bagi haibadu yengni
अखोइना हुजुक लेरिबम फमसी लमफेल सुपरमार्केट की शंकर टॉकीज तनी Padma Film presents and Indira presents Thamoido Ngairi haiba film mayamna isai music video do dadi am hit chat khraba ngasi film oina premiere show adu tawgadore aduna film asigi cast and crew and all the people who is working on this film and behind the scene kana lairige kamaina film se puthokna bohna bada kyam wa khiba kamain to khiba haiba do mayam puna khangmina bagi tanja su lomina se
Indira na khudol tamduna Padma Film Production gi banner makhada puthokpa Thamoido ngairi hana mingthonba Love Triangle amade nungsi nungon gi makpa naidra masak singbu uthokliba Manipuri feature film ama lamfel gi sankar takista tha sigi hoki batang amada leibak miyam da khudol tamkhre
So we have the lead actor, the handsome hunk of the newly handsome hunk of Moneywood, Mr. Birzid. Film sigi thamoi do ngai re hariba film sigi lead actor ni adu sai music video album jiti am hit chat khre adu matung da manu hutna da zuma yamna interaction ubu da gi hena pamna ba mo oi re ko adu jigi tung tarak pada film jigi performance ka matung inna film ji zuma yamna pambi ni na khangbra do ga expectation de kai lebige
ai expectation ji ase ai gi film ahan boy bani na ai di mayam request tok jage aina tawjabe acting mayam du yam phajadraga so mayam na ibung sibiduna support tawbiu mathang taawda ai asigi mayam gi complaint do ai lagan jaroi si mathang da ai mission bangkok ai lei bangkok ta nam ga do ma aduga nang ai se ai na mumbai da ma lei adu so akoi gi manipur based over story ni reality da based over ma adu matung da thawai ni se gi soina ai ga cheton thoge tarwa chinau gi wari amni wari nung sibangak tani adu I please support me and I'll try my best level to come up to your level.
Punsidi hingla ga marek mahau khangi haiba wakalolda pankhat liba film ase TH Biren puthokpani amade Ajit Nithaujana sairengba lamjing lamtak pa amade editor gi thaudang lauri Pusparani Amarjit amade Sangeeta ahumna sahek tamliba film asida cinematography ki thaudangna Mohan Kanglana lauri Zeni Khuraina makeup ki thaudang lawbaga loinana Galifana costume design tauri Bablu Yumnam gi wari amade screenplay the pankhan liba film asida Baby Sa Salamna choreograph tauri Vizuna VFX editor gi thawai pangli
अखोइना हुजुक मयामगा थेंगनजग दरिबा असि थमोइदो ngairi haiba film asigi producer oibiriba TH Biren Singh Paung Biren ni
मरु मपांग तिनबसिदा संग फटबा तिनबा यादे हाइबगी मेसेज अमा साउन फिल्म से पीरी लोना लोना ना नुंगसि नुंगोन गी माइगैदा अखोइगी पसा पाइबा इमुंग मनुंगी अखोइगी लेसाबी मसा सिंगना मखोइना तौनिंगबदे तौनी हाइबा वखलोनदा अखोइगी मसक फजबा पाखंग मसा सिंगदा फोन तौसलगा अदुदगे माबु मोइथेम तौरगा मागी ओइनबो होनबगी तंजा दो हारिबा फिल्म सिदा रिएक्ट तौरी हारिबा आइना ngasi premier show se utlaba matungda praja singsta ki comments khara phangani haibigi achoba thajaba lejai hairiba comments praja singna widely aingonda suggestion pibirakpa amadi aingonda thagad wahai natraga hairiba film si improve oire society na yaba film ama oire haibigi comments kitang phangba leragadi yama thuna aina film se release tawraga praja sing whole singda loina thadona bohona jaragani.
So that was the highlights of the premiere show that is going on in Sankar Talkies. Thamoido ngairi harba film asi mayam pumna ngai minasi akoigi naknak pa hol da lakpa matamda. Make sure that you go with your family and watch the film. Thank you so much. This is Tenzing Pukrambam with cameraman Derek and you're watching Mami Mapao.
Thamoy ngaibusi yam waram do mane. Aidi wabadi tokro ngaibaga sungai ai do mane. Anyways, mayam suksoi soidana yengbiyo. Yamna nungai gadawa film amane. Coming up next is ngasigi taruk suba mapao, release of Mona Singau Lakpa. Tenjing yaw budune mayam. Kamay tawge haibado yengminasi. Let's go.
Mona Singau Lakpa. Ngasidi nangi matam lore.
Alana piraga mithai ibagum nidu shida khande shoma mada nupa piu haina.
Hey, Naiko, such a yaro.
Romance samadi comedy yumpam oiduna pankatpa Dreams production gi banner makada putokpa Manipuri feature film mahaukiwa April tarada MSFDS ki auditorium da haunabi matungina release tawduna laibak miyamda khudol tamkre. Ras Kitchen Maitena editor ki thaudang lauduna kamcha maite gi wari yamade screenplay the pankal liba film asida aku programna makeup ki thaudang lauri amade aku amadi gope anina costume design dauri Tony Ahibam amadi Arun piano anina saipan bagi thaudang lauriba film asida Regan ki aich amade NG Sion anina cinematography ki thaudang lauri KSIS Gyanendra na puthok liba film asida pilot aku Kamcha Tenzing Jit Singh Ras Kitchen amadi James Saikom na chingba kayana sakam lang bagaloina Gyananna lamjing lamtakri amadi punsi khongchat thengna ruba awa maicha kayabu tungoineram ngaihak awa pothaduna makalamna nokchana na batanja piri khunaya sigi mami kumai bu pamjaba miyoi kaya tha.
Alright people, I've got a big news for you. The long-awaited release of Mona Singau Lakpa is on the way, like today, right now, happening inside. Ako'y music lady basi MSFDS taniyan main character lobi kiba hay gadra hero sabi kiba hay gadra mayama masusida ure.
I mean pilot prince.
I'm James Saikom. I na sige role is na villain. Ming na henba.
I'm Jit Singh. I love the role sina Daloya.
I role sina Laisemba. Aduga ay na pami sina Manipur ki superstar oiba.
Sige film sige journey hai ta rene ko. Sida awaba nungaiba isa experience amam dile ngai. Aduk amom tang share to biramo.
Film ki cast yamani na ko. Sida ko na mating udi am pambi yamba sing da ganan director tay lai mi am suga pulap sinminaraga aingonda yam line na thohan bigre. Waba mayam da zulo namak laihan bigre mayam ki teamwork to nako kas yam manina senabasdi adi yam wadi wai adugo moi mayam changdana yam live mo hingre aduga I hope everyone likes the movie.
Film namba ha se dum awaba nungai ba dum thena adugo ai ngonda di kaimta khoi ki kaino tawdre nungai ta ba je kaim lai gi dai tare aidi akoi group se yam support amana ma support tawna kona yam na yam laina tawgi bai tare
Film jin namba matam do ro ko team and as a family Dino na nam gibanina isa da am nungai giba koi support amana su loin tong nei mana kai du sork pa da koi ne ikiba tawna bai tar dino tar nungai gi
film jam nungai na zar nam thara la khanda khoi hard disk sky thana yam kuina pallaga yam wana khoi lagi karam matam da film je losin ka te khanda si hena wa bo ge du khwai du nungai bhai ga si release taw dana khoi myam sana pun phang dana si di myam da Kona hari kita hoi yang kan Mayam ai role tu hoi yang kan biro mayam
Senan lauri role je kai ne ba film
da nang na changa do paisa sing do ai transfer to kramani masina takpati paisa ai matang da haidi sale gi matang da wari yam saga dauri hai bane cinema manung sida ado mayam yengaga sungsoi soi da yengbiu aduga cinema asigi film asigi mahau do mayam pumna maglobiu
ai no hojik pam sidine Manipur gi superstar
pidora. Madu pidora toksina biya maliko. Maksina runo. Pai dai no he. Mi mabu mayam bhabani. Ekoi je sunya mating mayam makang. Ado ngai khone masai ne. Aina lang nei bachat padane. Nupa ma thenari ebko. Masakto khupazama. Ai ngawaga li. Jaira. Maming di khang hobra. Sorry, dance.
Lovely. I photoshoot now. That fixed over Kauniko.
Nangi photoshoot on died in here. And the manga, you to in a taba.
The deal out in it.
Missy,
I did it like a bar.
If you see the tinsel again, if you sit down and cook it. Kidore. Đang đi là lấy chuyện là chú râm gì vậy nè. Sao mà phải thở? Phát giờ này số mày nó thở nữa hay đâu? Còn đâu? Thế sao nó có thằng mà sang gồm tôi bố bro? À tụi mày nó cần bài cái nó, ai skin đó thở nữa. Ai chôm ba.
Này re, congratulations Tenjing and also the production team. No one see it with that, but it's a very good one. You guys have to watch it. Now we have today's final Mapao on the 6th edition of Ogri Festival. Ogri da mug nai na se mayam.
National Institute of Technology NIT na sahi ki oina pangthok tuna lakliba Ogri Festival Institute asigi Langol da leba campus ta taruklak suba edition kumja asigi oina pangthokre Lainga ke Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar haudok tuna numit mari ni chumna chathagiba festival asigi manung channa co curricular gi oiba thauram kaya pangthokhi Festival asigi manung channa iramdama sigi maming leraba lerabi Sadananda, Arvin, Sori, Surma, Pusparani, Susmita, Linda, Amarjit na chingba kayana saruk yaduna isay nongmay yoiba thauramsu pangthokhi. Ogri 2018 na sige manung channa lai yekpa debate quiz amadi isay na chingba tongan belam kayada changdam na ba kaya su pangthokhiba gi mathakta elegance in virtue haiba thimda Miss Ogri su kumja asigi oina khanki.
Contestant number 3, Selina Saikom, is your second runner-up. First runner-up, Miss Ogri 2018, belongs to Ilangbam Serena Devi, contestant number 4. Miss Augury 2018 is Dolina Tokchum, contestant number 12.
Show is over, Augury 2018. We have the winners right with us. So, okay, the cheers are going on with the jury. So it's been a very tough competition, but we surely have the winners. They deserve every title they are getting now. Enjoying the limelight, we have second runners-up, Selena Saikom. First runners-up, Elangbam Serena. And the winner, Augury 2018, Dolina. Congratulations, first of all. So you got a direct entry to Miss Manipur, right? So how are you feeling right now? How was the competition?
I'm very happy. The competing here, this beautiful are beautiful, and I think I'm very happy. And I don't know what to say. I'm feeling nervous now, but I'm happy. Thank you.
Totally deserved it. Okay, Selena, how's been your journey, and what would you like to say to your viewers?
I would like to say, never give up. You can achieve it if you never give up. Thank you.
So we have Elangbam Serena. How was your journey, and how's been the experience? And apart from, like, it's been a very tough competition, we have seen it. But what would you like to say? Are you satisfied with what you got tonight?
Yes, I'm very satisfied with it, and I want to say that don't stop, just keep on moving, and I don't know. I'm just very nervous. Don't stop and keep on moving, and just keep on working hard. I want to say this. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We have the winners, and lastly, I'll just like to ask one question to here, who has been the winner, one of the title holders in Gladrax, Mrs. India.
Yeah, I would like to say that to all the youths that whichever field you choose, any field you enter, you have to know the traits of that field, whatever it is. The beauty pageant, stylish, IQ, presence of mind, same with any other sports or any other competition. Madugi masak khang ba khakda nataba hotna ba madar ka tai ba aina sak phajare natraga aisi khara hairen thokpadugi that never counts madudi mitna thukte. So please make sure that nang changi ba thabak to nang tauri ba thabak to mamuta na khangman darkar tai.
So that was the end of Miss Augury 2018, and I hope you enjoyed the highlights that we have given you. This is Mami Mapao, your host Tenzing with cameraman Somojit. Thank you so much for watching.
Good job, NIT. Hope to see more in the next edition. We'll be waiting for it. Well, that's all we have in this episode of Mami Mapao. Thank you for watching us. But dear fans and followers, please do send us your valuable feedbacks and comments and suggestions, and never forget to press the like or dislike button and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.